Okay, everybody, for you people who had been following me and being my subscriber, thank you very much. And you might have noticed that this is my Seiko 5 automatic watch. I've had made a cover of it, a few vlogs about it in the earliest vlogs of mine. So what happened to it is, okay, firstly, I've been having it for 21 years, and now it's been creating some issues at the moment. As you can see, look at that, the number 12 is slanted to the left, right over there. It's supposed to be over here, and this is due to, the plate, the face of it seems to be loosened by itself inside of itself. So I've been wanting to send it for repair there at my favorite watch repair shop in Ulu Tiram, Johor. There's a very old uncle, but very specialized on doing this thing. He's very professional. In fact, I've been sending it to him a few times. I would even send it for to adjust the speed of the watch because it went too slow. And at one time, I've sent it to change the O-ring because it has been leaking. I mean, water has been leaking inside. It's supposed to be waterproof as before. So today, what I'm going to do with it while waiting for the repair shop to be open is that, if you can notice, there are scratches on the surface of this the glass of this watch. Of course, it's been used for 21 years. Even when I'm doing labor work or doing swimming or climbing or whatsoever, and makes sense that it has scratches now. So what I'm going to do while waiting for the shop to open is that I'm going to try to clear up all of those scratches. I don't know whether you can see how bad the scratches is. Let me put it nearer to you. If the camera allows us to see them, can you see those scratches? Let me take an angle. Can you see some scratches there? Okay, let's see. Okay, look at that. You can see a lot of scratches there. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to use this very fine sandpaper, which is 2000 grade, or what you call it, 2000 grade, 2000 coarse wise. Yeah, the coarseness is 2000. I've been trying to look for the 3200, which is the finest, but I can't seem to get it from the hardware shop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, just circulate and do a number 8, because that is the proper practice when you want to refine any surface. Okay, but firstly we need to take out the straps or the band, because I want the process to be much easier. So with the help of this tweezer, I seem to be forgetting how did I took out the band. So here comes the flash box. Again, I want to have to see where my tweezer went. Okay, where should it go? Wow, 49 years of using this same eyes seems to be taking a toll. Okay, that's it. I've given up on taking off the bands. So I'm just going to hold it like so and do my number 8 a few many times, okay, until the scratches is gone. But first, before I do this, I got to patch up some puddles of water on the surface because it will ease the process of refining the surface. Okay, so here we go. I have a cup of normal water, and let's start. Firstly, need to dab a few patches of water on the fine sandpaper, and let's start. And with the number 8, okay, don't forget number 8 is the best shape to use when you want to do any repair works on a scratch surface. Okay, all right, so I'm doing this on the patch of water. Let's compare if I dry this off and I do it on the dry part of the sandpaper right here. Okay, the resistance is higher, so it makes you tired easily. So yes, I'm going to return to my patch of water a little bit more. Okay guys, I'm going to do 100 times of this, so I'm going to put you on time lapse. Okay guys, I've did it 100 times, and okay, if you can observe right on the sandpaper, there is like a whitish or grayish residue in the patch of water. I'm not sure whether this is the glass bits that came off from the surface of the watch, or is it the sandpaper materials is dissolved by the water. I'm not sure, but let's see the result on the surface. Okay, flash off again, because yeah, I find it easier for us to see without the flash on. Seems like working. Let me see it with my own eyes, okay guys? Hold on. Okay guys, I tell you what, it didn't work. Those scratches that I've mentioned are still there. So yeah, this is not a proper way to do any repair works on the surface. Nope, it didn't work because this is the 2000 grade fine sandpaper and it doesn't work. Well, tough luck. Thanks for watching guys. So maybe if you want to do this, if you want to repair or refine the surface of your watch, you should get a proper glass surface repair kit that is available online. Yep, maybe I should get some to try. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Cheerio!